Just like old St. Nick.
That's right, and you know what? Speaking of around the world, I'm sure many people are joining us from far away this season. Let's just try show of hands. Is there anybody here from out of town? Out of the state? Out of the country?
Got cold all of a sudden again.
Feels good.
Hey, we're passing Walt Disney's Imagineer Life, which is the new audio animatronic show at the Opera House. There's Mickey Mouse in the corner, and Donald Duck is right in front of us. Over here we have the Market House, delicious Starbucks, coffees, iced teas, frappuccinos. And down that corridor you'll find the Main Street Coffee. Over here is the Candy Palace. If you look through the windows, you can often see the candy makers busy at their work. Over here we have the Plaza Point Holiday Shop, and down that corridor, the Baby Care Center First Aid, and a place to eat and IV for volunteers. Over here under the light green umbrellas is guest relations, and questions about the theme park tickets. They've got all the answers. Okay, we are coming to the end of our journey, but we're not quite there yet, so everybody please stay seated. I would like to remind you, you do leave us to gather your belongings, watch your children, watch your stuff. Just make sure you're using the handrails. But for now, everybody just stay seated to remember the things. Thank you.
Thank you.